Everyone thinks the most popular Rado watches are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, watch winder for automatic watches. Let's kick things off with a product that every watch enthusiast should consider, the automatic watch winder. Priced at just $24.39, this sleek black carbon fiber leather case caught my eye immediately. If you want to keep your automatic watch ticking while looking great, this is worth a serious look. So why does this matter for you? Well, if you own an automatic watch, you know how frustrating it can be when it stops running because it's not worn often enough. This watch winder has a Japanese quiet motor that gently rotates your watch to keep it wound. It not only preserves the movement, but also displays your watch beautifully. It's a practical solution that combines functionality and style. Now, some people have mentioned that this winder can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, if you're keeping it on your dresser in your bedroom, it might be a bit distracting. But if you place it in a closet or another room, it's a non-issue. The affordability of this winder makes it a great value. This is perfect for you if you're a collector or someone who values convenience. Skip this one if you're not an automatic watch owner though. At this price, it's a steal for its intended purpose. Now, if the watch winder's noise potential bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Diastar Original Automatic Swiss Watch. The Diastar Original, a stunning men's automatic Swiss watch priced at $1,108.95. The gold stainless steel bracelet and the black dial with crystals make a bold statement. If you want a blend of luxury and functionality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The black dial, adorned with 12 crystals, is not just for aesthetics, but also ensures you can read the time easily, even in dim light. Plus, it has a date display at 6 o'clock, which is super practical for daily wear. The sapphire crystal is scratch resistant, so you don't have to worry about your watch looking worn out over time. It's water resistant up to 30 meters, meaning it can handle splashes without a hitch. Now, some people complained about the size being too small if you have larger wrists, but honestly, it has a classic elegance that suits most occasions. If you prefer a more understated watch, this might not be for you, but it's still a fantastic choice for those looking for a luxury piece. This is perfect for you if you love classic designs and want something that stands out. Skip this one if you prefer larger, sportier watches. For the quality and style, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for adventure lovers. Product number 3, Captain Cook Automatic Swiss Watch. The Captain Cook is an absolute beauty for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship. If you want a watch that screams adventure while still being stylish, this one deserves your attention. The 43mm black dial is a statement piece, and the high-tech ceramic bracelet ensures durability and scratch resistance. If you're into diving or outdoor activities, this watch not only looks good, but also functions while under pressure. It combines elegance with ruggedness, which I think is essential for today's active lifestyle. This watch is built to withstand the elements, making it a reliable companion. However, the price point might be a hurdle for some. Here's the deal. While it's a significant investment, it's designed to last and perform over time. If you're serious about your timepieces, I'd say it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurer at heart and want a watch that can keep up. Skip this one if you're looking for something more casual and budget-friendly. It's definitely on the higher end, but the quality shows. Now, if that price tag was a little steep for you, check out this next option that balances style and cost perfectly. Product number 4, True Square Open Heart Automatic Swiss Watch. We have the True Square Open Heart, priced at $2,950. This unisex watch caught my eye with its unique square design that really sets it apart. If you're looking for something truly distinctive, this is worth a serious look. The 38mm square block dial gives it a modern aesthetic while showcasing the intricate mechanics of the watch through its open heart design. This means you can actually see the movement in action, which is super cool for watch lovers. The black high-tech ceramic bracelet not only looks sleek, but is also durable and lightweight, making it comfortable for all-day wear. One drawback is that the square shape might not appeal to everyone. Some may prefer traditional round watches, but I'll be real with you. If you want to make a statement, the square design offers a fresh and stylish twist. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that stands out and showcases craftsmanship.
Skip this one if you prefer classic shapes or a more understated look. For the price, you're getting a piece of art on your wrist. Now, if you're not sold on the square design, the last watch on our list might just be the classic you're after.
Product number 5, Centrix Automatic Swiss Watch. Let's talk about the Centrix, which comes in at $2,200. This unisex watch is all about elegance and versatility. If you want a timepiece that can transition from day to night effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. The 39mm black dial features a date display, making it practical for everyday use. The silver and black high-tech ceramic bracelet not only looks great, but also ensures durability. It's designed to be lightweight and comfortable, which is key if you plan to wear it all day. Plus, it has a water resistance of 30 meters, so you don't have to baby it around water. Some users have mentioned that it might feel a bit too formal for casual outings. Here's the thing though, while it does have that refined look, it can easily be dressed down with the right outfit. It's a versatile watch that can meet various occasions. This is perfect for you if you want a classic look with modern features. Skip this one if you're leaning towards sportier styles. For what you get, it's a solid watch worth considering.
So to recap, we've explored 5 fantastic Rado watches: the functional watchwinder, the luxurious Diastar, the adventurous Captain Cook, the distinctive True Square Open Heart, and the elegant Centrix. Each has its unique charm and caters to different styles and needs, so you're bound to find one that resonates with you.